Hello children, today I am going to explain to you chapter 2, the Iron Age. Now before I start the explanation, let me ask you two questions. Can you name some metals that you are familiar with? I think yes. So they are iron, zinc, aluminium, copper, tin, etc. Now, what are some of the tools in your home made of? Tin, iron, aluminium, etc. You have learnt in the earlier lesson that with the discovery of metals, the Stone Age gradually came to an end. The next major change in the history was the discovery of iron. The period after the Bronze Age is known as the Iron Age. It was characterized by the large-scale use of iron for making tools, weapons and ornaments. It is interesting to note that not all groups of early human beings were using the same tools all over the world. Different groups of early human beings were in different stages of development in terms of the Stone Age, Bronze Age or Iron Age. However, better tools and weapons must have made it easier to fight other groups and lead better lives. Now, what are the advantages of iron? The early human beings found various advantages of using iron. Some of these are: iron was much stronger than bronze and it could be shaped to form sharper objects. Unlike stone, which had to be chipped away to make different shapes, iron could be heated and hammered into the required shapes. Iron was cheaper and more easily available than bronze. Iron tools were stronger and could be used for tilling the ground for farming. Rotary quern was introduced, which could powder grains to flour. The availability of iron tools and implements helped in the advancement of agriculture and spread of civilizations. Some people were primarily engaged in agriculture. The discovery of iron had a great impact upon farming. Farmers could plow soil with iron-tipped tools and implements more easily. Better farming techniques increased production, which made it possible to sell and exchange surplus crops. The discovery of iron had another major advantage. It became possible for people to spend more time on other activities such as weaving, spinning, making ornaments, and pottery. In India, the Iron Age saw the emergence of a large number of kingdoms both in the north and the south of India. So children, in this chapter we have come across 2-3 new words like rotary, turning around a fixed point, quern, a simple hand mill for grinding grains with 2 circular stones, and tilling, to prepare land for putting seeds in the ground so that they will grow there. You are going to learn why is iron better than bronze? What was the impact of iron tools and implements on agriculture? How did improved agricultural production led to other occupations? Thank you, children.